In today's video, I'm going to teach you list segmentation in HubSpot. We'll walk through the process of creating a segment step by step so you can organize your records more effectively and target the right audience inside HubSpot. List segmentation is especially useful when you want to group contacts, companies, or other records based on shared traits or behaviors, making your marketing, sales, and reporting much more precise. To begin, log into your HubSpot account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, head to the CRM section. This is where HubSpot stores and organizes your core records, and it's the starting point for building segments. From the CRM area, click on Segments, also labeled as Lists. This is the section where you can view existing lists and create new ones. If you already have lists set up, you'll see them here, but for this tutorial, we're creating a new segment from scratch. Next, click Create Segment. This opens the setup flow and allows you to define exactly what kind of records you want to include. HubSpot will then ask you to select the object you want to segment. Choose the object that matches your goals, such as contacts if you're building an audience for email outreach, or another object type if you're organizing a different set of records. After selecting your object, click Next to move forward. Now you'll set your filter criteria, which is the most important part of the segmentation process. This is where you tell HubSpot who should be included in the segment. You can combine conditions using AND and OR logic depending on how narrow or broad you want the audience to be. For example, you might filter by contact properties, form submissions, or email interactions. The key here is to build criteria that reflect the exact group you want to track or engage. If needed, take a moment to review your logic carefully, because even small filter changes can affect which records appear in the segment. Once your filters are in place, click Next again. At this stage, choose whether you want the segment to be active or static. An active segment updates automatically as records meet or stop meeting your criteria, which is great for ongoing campaigns or dynamic reporting. A static segment captures records at that moment and does not update automatically, which can be helpful for one-time outreach or snapshot reporting. Finally, click Save and Process Segment. HubSpot will begin building the segment based on the rules you selected. After processing, your new list will be ready to use for targeting, analysis, and workflow organization. And that's how to create a list segment in HubSpot from start to finish.